Want to make your business data easier to understand at a glance? In this video, we'll look at how to use conditional formatting in Excel to spot performance trends fast. Let's say we have a monthly sales report, and we want to highlight which sales reps didn't meet the $10,000 target. First, select just the data in the column with the sales numbers. Next, go to the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting, hover over Highlight Sales Rules, and then choose Less Than. In the box that appears, type 10,000. Then choose a red fill to flag underperformers and click OK. Now, any value below $10,000 is highlighted automatically. This helps you instantly see which reps might need coaching or where follow-ups are needed. No manual scanning required. But conditional formatting does more than flag underperformance. Let's say you want to highlight top performers. With the same column selected, go back to conditional formatting. This time, choose top bottom rules and select top 10 items. You can change that number, let's say the top 3, and apply a green fill. Now you've got a quick visual of your top sellers. You can also use data bars to visualize how each rep is performing relative to others. Select the column, go to Conditional Formatting, and choose Data Bars. Excel adds a horizontal bar inside each cell. The longer the bar, the higher the value. Want to show performance as a gradient? Use color scales. This adds a color gradient where low numbers are red, middle values are yellow, and high numbers are green, giving you an instant heat map effect. And if you have specific rules, like highlighting only reps in a certain region with low sales, you can use custom formulas. Just go to New Rule, select Use a Formula to determine which cells to format, and enter your condition there. To manage or remove any rules, go back to Conditional Formatting and click Manage Rules. From there, you can edit, reorder, or delete as needed. Conditional formatting is a quick way to turn raw numbers into insights, and it scales with your data as it grows. Whether you're tracking sales, expenses, or KPIs, it's a tool every business Excel user should know. Give it a try and stay tuned for more Tech Tip Tuesday videos.